14 update is here, and we're going to be taking a look at some of the features that are available. In this lesson, we're going to be working on our iPhone, and we're going to learn a little bit about the app library. To get to our app library, we're going to scroll through all of our pages, and it's going to be the very last page. Here, all our apps are going to be organized and searchable. As you can see, Apple already started to categorize some of my apps. I have most recently added, social media, creativity, shopping, and a lot more. If you want to search all of your apps, you can head up to the search bar and you can see that you have access to everything. I can even spotlight what I want to see. So let's say I want to look for a photo. I'm going to type photo and all of my apps that are related to photos appear. This is a great new feature that helps you keep your phone organized and declutter your devices.